Applied welding class allows kids to learn how to use various types of welders, a few other types of machines in here. They do some sheet metal work, and just to learn the skill of welding, the types of welders that they'll be using while they're in applied welding class is the MIG welder, arc welder, TIG welder, and oxyacetylene welder. And with the oxyacetylene welder, they also get to learn how to cut using the oxyacetylene cutting torch. Besides the welders, we've got a 40-ton press that shears metal. We have a CNC plasma cutter. We have 2 handheld plasma cutters which cut through metal.
We have the choice. We can make like a dustpan or a metal rose. Dustpan, you sheet metal. You trace all out in the dustpan, then you cut and bend the metal to make a new dustpan. There's like a template you use and you cut it out on sheet metal and then you weld it together.
We make lap welds where you put 2 pieces on top of each other and then weld. Butt weld is 2 end pieces of metal going together, and also a T-weld where you stand a piece of metal up vertically on a horizontal piece, or you can just run a bead through the middle of a piece of metal.
Welding's an important skill to learn because, I mean, you could, if you have a welder at home or decide to get one after you take the class, there's a lot of things that you could fix at home on your own, and a lot of people don't know, but there's a lot of money to be made with selling different types of projects and things like that that you can create using a welder and making out of metal. They could decide that they like welding and go into a career of welding.